Welcome to this guide on updating your time zone settings in WordPress. In this tutorial, every instruction is designed to help you navigate the process smoothly and without confusion. We will explain each step clearly so that you can follow along effortlessly and ensure your website reflects the correct local time. Start by opening your internet browser and going directly to your WordPress site. As the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you will find the login option. This is your gateway into WordPress administration. Click on the login button to proceed. When the login screen appears, you will notice several methods for signing in. One of the simplest ways to access your account is by using your Google credentials. Look for the button marked Continue with Google and click on it. After this action, a prompt will appear asking you to select the Google account you wish to use. Choose the appropriate account to continue, and the system will redirect you to your WordPress dashboard automatically. After successfully signing in, the next focus is to navigate to the settings section of your WordPress dashboard. The settings area is where you will find various site options that allow you to manage how your website functions. At this point, locate the settings option in the main navigation area and click on it. It is important to go to settings because that is where all the general configurations, including time zone settings, are managed. Once you have reached the settings page, the next objective is to find the time zone settings among the general options. The time zone section is essential because it ensures that the timestamps on your post, scheduled events, and overall site operations align with your local time. When you identify the area designated for time zone, click on it to reveal the available options. Within the time zone settings, you will find a drop-down menu listing various time zones arranged by regions and cities. Carefully scroll through and select the time zone that corresponds with your geographical location. Paying attention to this step is crucial because an incorrect time zone could lead to scheduling errors and confusion over post timings. Take a moment to confirm that the choice you make is indeed accurate for your area. After you have selected the correct time zone from the drop-down, complete the process by scrolling to the bottom of the settings page where you will see an option to save changes. Clicking Save Changes is the final step in the process. This action confirms that your chosen time zone is applied across all aspects of your WordPress site. Immediately after saving, your dashboard and site functionalities will operate using the updated time settings. Completing these steps ensures that your website aligns exactly with your local time requirements, which is especially beneficial for managing blog posts and scheduled content. Following this clear and straightforward process guarantees that your site works efficiently and maintains consistency in time-related functions. This comprehensive guide has led you through accessing WordPress, logging in with your Google account, navigating to the settings area, finding the time zone section, selecting your desired time zone, and saving your changes. With these simple instructions now at your disposal, your WordPress site will operate with the precise local time you need. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and streamlined performance of your website with this newly configured setting.